Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to look at the Elevado by Architectural Mailboxes, and this is a mailbox post, and as you can see here it says that it includes hardware. It holds up to 50 pounds, and this one is in black. I do like that it's galvanized steel, so it does not get rusted. Here's a plate. It's made out of steel because it's heavy. And I do have a post, but it's just a plain post. And this one looks pretty cool. So here's the hardware. Here's the rest of the stuff. It has a matte finish. So that's one side, and then you have the other side here. So here are the instructions, and it gives you step by step. Here is the hardware. Step 1, you put these two together. Step 2, put this plastic on. Step 3, put the top. 4, put it together. 5, put the mailbox on there. 6, screw this onto that. And 7, put these two on the sides on the bottom. So I've separated the screws in groups on how I'm going to use them. The first 3 are going to be here, and then these, and then the rest. The first thing you could do is make sure that the holes are aligned, and then just put the screw on there. You can use a wrench if you want, or the screwdriver. So this is what it looks like when it's done. That's step 1. Step 2 is to put this plastic for the cover on the top post. So once you put the cover, it actually stops right there, so don't leave this for last. And then once you do that, on the top there's also 4 holes, and that's where this top is going to be. Like that. Align the holes. So try to play around with it until you get all of the holes together. You're going to put the washer, hex bolt, and then from inside is going to be going outwards like that. And then on the outside you're going to put the washer, another washer, and the nut. And you're going to do that with the 4 screws. Now that we have all the screws put together, and then on the outside you can see the hex nuts, now it's ready to be put onto the ground. It's suggested that this piece goes from 12 inches to 18 inches into the ground, maybe put in there with cement so it doesn't move. So once you put it in the ground, then the next step is to put the mailbox on the top. There are plenty of holes so you can screw the mailbox onto here. The next thing after you put the mailbox on the top is to put the cover. You put it into here. These little plastic holders, they go into the small 4 holes, like that. Of course, your mailbox is gonna be on top, and this is gonna go in there like that. Our final step after you do that is to put these 2 other covers together, and one is gonna be on one side while the post is gonna be here, and then the other one on top. And then we have the screws to put them in there, and that's it. When I get a chance to put it in my front of the house, I'll put a picture of that too. For now, there's 2 feet of snow in the front of the house, so I'm not going to do that today. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helps you in any way, and enjoy.